Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So a little bit ago, I just came outside because I was bored inside the house, okay? And as I was gonna get the basketball to like shoot some hoops, I saw something fall. Hold on, let me show you. Over there, okay? And I came to look what fell, and I realized it's a literal bird. It's a little bird. Jeez. Okay, I'm grabbing the bird right now. Look at this. It's a literal bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but I just grabbed it. I don't know if I'm able to get back in its little nest. But yeah. Is that the bird alright? Let's see if I can try and get it in. Get up there. Okay, yeah, I definitely can't get this bird up there. So I'll just leave it right here. But yeah, that's definitely a bird. I can't believe I just found a bird. I actually have no idea what kind of bird this is. But wow, that's definitely a bird. Like and subscribe and I'll give you an update. So yeah, like and subscribe and I'll give you an update on this bird. Okay, bye.